Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade the FAS server. So we have in our infrastructure two FAS server. First let me show you the version which we have installed on the server. So we have 2308 version of Citrix FAS server. So this is one more server. So this is also 2308 version. Before going for the upgrade, so what we need to do, we need to validate that uh, application access. So just log into the just access the desktop. This is the freeze checks before going for the upgrade. So we can access. So what we can do, we need to take snapshot before upgrade. Just take snapshot before 2 3. So other faster also we need to take snapshot. Okay, now for both the fast server we have taken backup. Okay, now just sign out. Just put any one of the server in the maintenance mode. So I am putting FAS server 1 in the maintenance mode. Just enable. You can now go to Citrix FAS storefront. Just log off and log in. We'll see whether you are able to access the application or not with the one server now. Just launch. Okay. So we can access the desktop, so no issue. So now the FAS server 2 is working. FAS server 1 is not working because it's in the maintenance mode. So already I mapped the ISO file. Just open the ISO file. Just log up the session now. So now you can see Federation Authentication Service upgrade is available. So just click this one. So in FAS server 1 we have successfully upgraded the 2.3.11 version. Just go to control panel, just verify. So now it was upgraded from 2308 to 2311. Okay, just open Citrix FAS server console. Okay, disable the maintenance mode. Then go to FAS server 2. Enable maintenance mode so that we can verify whether this FAS server 1 is working fine or not. Just go to storefront page. Just log in. So we can access the desktop. Just check in the event also. get time. Okay, so here you can see more user details here. Okay, so now what we can do, we can perform the changes, sorry, upgrade on the FAS server 2. Just log off, go to FAS server 2, close this console, just upgrade. In secondary FAS server also we have upgraded successfully. Just click finish, go to control panel, you can see 2311 version. FAS console, just disable the maintenance mode. In the FAS 1 you just enable the maintenance mode so that we can validate FAS server 2 whether it's working fine or not. Just log in and access the VDI. So I see a file is launching fine, desktop also launching fine. Just go to FAS server 2 event viewer. So you can see the time also same time. So this is Siva user. Okay, it seems to be working fine. So this is the procedure to upgrade that FAS server. Okay, now we need to enable maintenance mode from FAS server 1 also. We have upgraded successfully to FAS server and it's working fine. Thank you.